Hey everybody, Jason here with Express.com. Today I'm going to show you how to take off the hinge from the plate on a couple of different hinge setups that we have here. And here we have our bloom hinge. As you can see, when the door is open, this has a little lever in the back. So what you're going to do is, for the bloom, you're going to pull that lever towards you. It squeezes, and as you're doing that, you lift apart the hinge. You can see right here, that's the part that you're going to be squishing. And then also the way it connects is with this bar here, and it's got like a little alligator tooth thing right there, a little alligator head. And just imagine it wanting to eat that little hook and push, and it's locked. Now let's take a look at the celiche. Once again, it's got a tab here, but this one you push in like that, and as you push in, you pull the hinge away from the plate. And you can see that there. And similar to the other ones we have, it's going to have little hooks here, and that's what's going to connect right here on these little bitty bumps on the plate. So they all pretty much work off the same idea. You basically start from the front, push it in, and click. So it's almost like rolling on, and the same for the back. Either it's going to be a little flip like that, it's going to be a flip going the other way, or a little push button. So depending on what kind of hinge and plate you have, yours should be one of these three. If not, let me know in the comments down below.